What is atomic spin? Atomic spin is a property that makes atoms behave like tiny magnets. It's a concept of physics. Hello students, welcome back to Paathshala classes. This is Shashwat Dubey, one of the faculty members of Paathshala classes, and today we are going to discuss the Nobel Prize winners of 2024. We will begin with the very first part, that is physics. Physics में किसको किसको Nobel Prize मिला है? Beginning with the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. कौन confer करता है ये prize? Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences confers the prize for in the field of physics, right? Who has been awarded this year? Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences has awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics 2024 to two people. John J. Hopfield, who is from Princeton University, USA, and Geoffrey Hinton from the University of Toronto. दो लोगों को मिला है नोबेल प्राइज फिजिक्स में, ये दोनों नाम हैं, तो ध्यान से देखिएगा ये नाम, क्योंकि ये करंट अफेयर्स के सेक्शन में यू कैन रियली एक्सपेक्ट. दे आर बीइंग ऑनर्ड फॉर देयर फाउंडेशनल डिस्कवरीज. किस चीज के लिए मिला है? For the foundational discoveries and inventions that have advanced the field of machine learning, particularly through the development of artificial neural networks. Right? ये फील्ड में उनको मिला है, दो लोगों को मिला है, मैंने अंडरलाइन कर दिया है. राइट? ये दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट है नाम, तो प्लीज टेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस. This year's two Nobel laureates in physics have used tools from physics to development methods that are the foundation of today's powerful machine learning. John Hopfield has created an associative memory that can store and reconstruct images and other types of patterns in data. Also that Geoffrey Hinton, the very next one who has also been awarded the same prize, Geoffrey Hinton has invented a method that can autonomously find properties in data and so perform tasks such as identifying specific elements in pictures. John Hoffield's work, as far as the works of John Hopfield are concerned, we'll just delve into the works in detail one by one. Now, very first, the John Hopfield created an associative memory model, as already stated, that can store and recall patterns such as images. The network is inspired by physical processes, particularly those related to atomic spin. What is atomic spin? Atomic spin is a property that makes atoms behave like tiny magnets. It's a concept of physics. Now, the last, each node in the Hopfield network, please do focus on this point. Each node in the Hopfield network is similar to a pixel in an image. Nodes influence each other through their connections, similar to how neurons in our brain function. Physics in the Hopfield network. Now, what is the physics behind the discovery of Mr. Hopfield? The very first being, the network's behavior can be explained using concepts from spin systems in physics, where energy is minimized for stable configurations. Also that the network is trained by adjusting the connections between nodes, ensuring that saved patterns correspond to lower energy states. The goal of the network is to reduce its overall energy, which is akin to finding the most stable arrangement of atomic spins in a material. I would like to repeat this one. Please do focus on this point. The goal of the network is to reduce its overall energy, which is akin to finding the most stable arrangement of atomic spins in a material. Now, what is the function and pattern in which this particular discovery of Mr. Hopfield works on? When the Hopfield network is presented with a distorted or incomplete image, it systematically updates the value of the nodes, the very first thing. Followed by, this process aims to minimize the network's energy, leading to the retrieval of the stored image that most closely resembles the input. And lastly, the network operates step by step. Fine, now simultaneously, step by step, correcting the distorted input and recovering the most accurate version of the saved pattern. ये तो था हॉफील्ड का वर्क, और हॉफील्ड का जो भी डिस्कवरी था उसको हमने डिटेल में देख लिया, क्या फंक्शन है, क्या सिस्टम है, क्या प्रॉपर उसके जो एकदम होते हैं माइन्यूट फंक्शनिंग्स वी हैव सीन, राइट. नाउ एज फार एज Geoffrey Hinton's work is concerned, we'll also just go through it one by one, right? The very first wing, Boltzmann machine foundation. Now this is the discovery of Mr. Hinton. Geoffrey Hinton has built this particular discovery upon the work of Hoffield itself. He has developed the Boltzmann machine. Now what is this machine? This is the machine which is a network that can learn and recognize patterns in data. The Boltzmann machine uses methods from statistical physics, which deals with systems made up of numerous interacting components to learning patterns. Learning and pattern recognition. Now what is this learning and pattern recognition? Learn and pattern recognition is a way through which, unlike Hoffield's network, the Boltzmann machine focuses on learning characteristic features within a data set. It is trained by being fed examples. Fed examples which has already been told to the data set, like which has already been put there, predetermined data, right? That are statistically likely in the data, refining its ability to classify and recognize patterns. Now, what is the application of this particular discovery? The Boltzmann machine can classify images and also generate new examples that are similar to the data it was trained to work on. Hinton's work on the Boltzmann machine has significantly contributed to the rapid development of machine learning, making it a crucial in today's AI research. AI research को काफी हद तक facilitate करेगा ये particular discovery. Also that इनका जो पूरा work है, इसका impact, consequence क्या हो सकता है हमारे life में in today's modern world. His work of John Hopfield and Geoffrey Hinton has revolutionized fields like artificial intelligence and machine learning by establishing foundational models for pattern recognition and data analysis. These neural networks, देखिए यहां ध्यान दीजिएगा, these neural networks are now applied in various domains including physics, where they help in the discovery of new material with specific properties. As Alan Moons, chair of the Nobel Committee for Physics, stated, their contributions collectively, their contribution stands for the both Nobel laureates' contribution, have already been of the greatest benefit and continue to influence cutting edge research in both AI and physics. Now, this is a brief description about the two people. John Hopfield was born in 1933 in Chicago, USA. He has completed his PhD in the year 1958 from Cornell University, New York, USA. Also that currently he is a professor at Princeton University, USA. Now about Geoffrey Hinton. Geoffrey Hinton is born in 1947 in London, UK. Also that he has completed his PhD degree in the year 1978 from University of Edinburgh, UK, England. And lastly, he is also a professor at University of Toronto, which is in Canada. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Paathshala classes. Also, for getting free updates regarding your study materials and your doubt redressal, you can also subscribe to the Telegram channel of Paathshala classes. Thank you so much for connecting with us.